Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system. Then let's tap on reset options. And here we've got two different options which are connected with the networking, because we've got mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi separately. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the specific option and then tap on reset. As you can see, we've got this information that we just successfully did it. And the same with mobile network settings. You can mark it or not and tap on reset settings. Be aware, because you cannot undo those actions. So just tap on reset and here you've got the information. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.